Today, teacher is going to talk about nature around us. Okay, let's go and learn.
Hello kids. Here, what do we have here? We have the sun. And here, the earth. Okay. This is the sun we can see every day in the daytime. Okay? And this is the earth. We are living in it. Okay? Here, the earth is actually a round sphere. Okay? And it is spinning around a line called the axis. Axis? Teacher, what is it? I don't know axis. Okay, teacher will tell what is an axis. This is the axis of the earth we are living in. Okay? The earth is rotating like a ball with the axis. Okay? So, because of its rotation, what happened? Let's see. Here, because of its rotation, only half of the planet can be facing the sun at any point in time. Here, this is the light that comes from the sun and it is rotating. So that's why what happened? Here, the side facing the sun happens to be a daytime. So that's why we can see sun in the daytime only. Okay? So what about the nighttime? This is the nighttime because there is no sun. There is no light from the sun on it. This is the side of the face of the earth. It's not facing the sun. Okay? So here we have to know that it takes 24 hours for the earth to do 1 turn on its own axis. That's why during this time of 24 hours, a place will go through both light and dark. So that's why we have both light and dark in every 24 hours. Okay, so that is the formation of day and night. I hope you enjoy the lesson and get much knowledge. Okay, babies. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hello kids. So, I hope you enjoy learning with me. So please take care of yourself and see you very soon. Bye.